In this video, I'll tell you how to make money in real estate business by doing plot flipping. Yes, you heard it right. If you want to become a real estate investor, if you want to earn a big amount in real estate industry by investing only 20-25% of the entire property amount, then this video is for you. Watch this video till the end. I'm Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author and entrepreneur. And in this video, I'll tell you practical steps to start your plot flipping business. Point number one, understand your investment criteria. If you want to start your plot flipping business, you have to make a checklist of all the things related with your investment. How much money you have right now, how much money you want to invest without taking any tension and stress, for what period you want to invest that amount. Example, for 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, what is your investment horizon? If as an investor you will not understand all these things before starting your plot flipping business, then you can get into trouble. So first of all, defining your investment criteria is very, very important. The other thing is, where do you want to invest? Near to city, in your city, in growing city, in some other city which is developing, a small town where you feel that chances are more. You have to decide everything first. The moment you write it down everything, then it becomes easier for you to proceed with the next step. Step number two is market research. Now, the moment you are very clear with your investment criteria, the second thing what you have to do is do a proper market research. You have to do a research at where major projects are coming near to your city, which is the next upcoming developing area. If you want to invest in a new plot of a developer as a plot flipping business, if you want to invest inside city, then you have to understand that which area is the next developing zone, in which area there would be more demands in the future, so that you can take a decision of buying an XYZ. Suppose you want to buy a 1500 square feet or a 3000 square feet plot. If 1500 square feet plot you will buy as a plot flipping, then your reselling customer would be someone who wants to have a residential kind of end use. Now, if you buy a 3000 square feet plot, it might be possible that you can get a builder to again rebuy that plot from you. So now you have to define that what amount you exactly have, and based on the market research, you have to finalize the area and the size of the plot as well based on your investment capacity. So your market research should be based on the future upcoming projects. Your market research should be based on connectivity with the infrastructure, should be based on distance from hospital, distance from school, distance from airport, distance from railway station. All these things you have to check, and you have to do a proper research related with the property which you are buying. So if you watched the video till point number 2, before moving to point number 3, I want to say to hit on subscribe button and hit on bell icon. Based on Google Analytics, we see that people come to our channel, they watch entire video, but sometimes they forget to click on subscribe button. We don't want you to miss even a single important video that is available on our channel. Third is now a very important thing, legal check. You have to take a help of a legal advisor or someone who is very expert in buying properties and know each and everything related with buying properties. So once you do a proper legal check, in that case, now you can move to a next step, because legal check is very important. Most of the time, most of the investors get trapped when they don't know how to check legal papers in their own city or the state or country. So in the business of plot flipping, you must have a knowledge of legal documentation related with buying plots in your city. Point number 4, negotiation, deal and agreement. Now comes the step when you have to negotiate, because an investor mostly earns in plot flipping business when he buys, not when he sells. Understand this. When you buy at a good rate, when you negotiate properly, when you at least negotiate, when you can negotiate 1,50,000 or 1,50,000 or 2 lakh from the amount which was given by a seller to you, in that case, that is your real skill. The moment you finalize the things related with the negotiation, then finalize the total deal amount. If suppose you have bought a 3000 square feet plot at 50 lakhs, and now you have to pay only 12.5 lakhs, 20-25% for registered agreement, and you have an arrangement for that. Now take a, not only negotiation, you have to negotiate about price, but you have to negotiate about the tenure as well. How much time you will get for paying the rest 75% amount. So in that case, it becomes easy for you. If suppose you take a time period of 6 months or 9 months from a seller, So then you get a freehold chance of searching for other buyers when you get good rate, and then you can flip this property. So when you have negotiated properly related with the rate and related with the duration, then it becomes easier for you to do property flipping or plot flipping in future. Finally, do an agreement, pay the amount, become a registered owner of that plot, and now represent yourself as the seller. Search for more options, look for buyers. If even if you feel that there is a hike of 300 rupees or 400 rupees and you are getting at least 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs or 4 lakhs extra, or an additional benefit by selling or flipping this plot, you can do the flipping at that time. Remember the most important rule of flipping: when you have more buyers, you can negotiate based on your condition. When you have less buyers, you have to give based on the condition of the buyer. So now it's also a skill which you have to develop, that how to find good buyers for now your flipping business, how to find good buyers for your own plot. Now point number 5 is wait, search for more buyers and sell. I have already explained this in last point, but I'll again re-explain it so that you can understand it better. If you have done deal properly in plot flipping business, if you have time, then you can search for good number of buyers. You can use social media, you can use references, you can use other investors who are willing to buy in that area. Now search for good buyer. The moment you have more buyers, the probability of you getting good rate is more. And finally, take a decision of selling. So if suppose you have invested, for example, 12.5 lakh rupees for a registered agreement, total plot cost was 50 lakh, the total plot size was 3000 square feet. Now even if you are getting 300 rupees more because of the development, because of the growth in that area, and most important thing is 100 or 150 you have already negotiated when you have done a negotiation in this deal. So even if the rate has increased by 150 rupees, the total increase you can get is of 250 or 300 rupees multiplied by 3000 rupees. So you can easily earn 7 lakh 8 lakhs by flipping this plot. I am clearly telling you this is not easy, but when you understand this market, when you know all the intricacies and the details of the real estate industry, you can do plot flipping business very easily. Friends, if you watched it, point number 5, my single request to you is do hit like button. Your like gives us more inspiration, and comment below that which point you have missed. If you are into the plot flipping business, or if you know someone who has done plot flipping business, which point they have missed in their past deal, do comment below. And if you want us to make video on some other important topic related with real estate industry, do comment below. If you feel that this video is very useful, please share this video with many people. Thank you so much for liking our video. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Thank you so much for making our book Real Estate Game Changer national bestseller. We'll meet you in the next video.